Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok not letting you sign in. If you are using TikTok on your iPhone or any Android and you're facing any type of login issue on your TikTok, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure or you have to double check your phone number or your mail account and also double check your password, that the password you're entering is correct. And after checking them, you have to retry it if you're still facing the same issue. So you just have to refresh your network because it might be there will be any network issue. You just have to scroll on your control center, and here you have to make sure that you're connected to a stable and the strongest network connection using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go for general. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So if you're connected, try to disconnect with that. So after disconnecting your VPN, you just have to go back from here and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any type of your data. So you can easily try this, and after that, your issue must be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, you can also try to update your TikTok app. Here to find any pending updates, try to update your TikTok app, and after updating, your issue must fix. Or if it's still not fixed, you can also try to delete the app and then reinstall it because sometimes it might be that there will be bug or any type of malware into your TikTok app, so it may make effects or any errors. So you just have to look for TikTok app here and you have to try to delete your TikTok app. So here's the TikTok app. You have to keep a long press on it and have a remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. It will be delete or completely uninstalled. After uninstallation, open your app store and here search for TikTok, and you have to reinstall this TikTok app on your iPhone. So it will be fixed if there will be any bug or any kind of malware into your TikTok app. Or after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, you just have to open your browser here, search for TikTok support. Open the first website from here and then just scroll down and look for any option relating to your issue. So in my case, I'm going to select this option which is login and troubleshooting. Select that, and here just select login, and here you just have to select the issue which you are facing. So if you have forgotten your password, you can select this one. If you want to reset your password, you can select the third one option. Here, if you have lost your phone number or your email, so you can also select this one. If your account has been hacked, so select this option. And here, for example, I'm going to select this option from here if you still not need help. And here, select no option, and then you'll get a menu here that in TikTok app the profile button, then menu setting the privacy, what a problem, and report from here. And after that, TikTok will get you spot. So in this way, you can easily fix your login issues in your TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.